Hi everyone, this is just a really quick video on how to refill the Take-A-Pick, the putty end. So when it's all finished, you're just going to twist it out and you'll see that the new one is longer. Now this one isn't finished yet, but if it was, this plunger would be right up to the end, okay, because that's what pushes the new putty out. Now when you go to put the new one in, and you turn it, you're going to think, why isn't it catching? You have to really, really push as you turn, okay? Then once you've got it in, you're going to turn it until you see the putty coming out, okay? So it's going to be harder than you think. You really have to push to get the putty started, okay? So that's how you refill the putty in the Take-A-Pick.